In front of me is TECNO Pop 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access password and security. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. Now select Enroll Face at the top. Read all of those instructions and disclaimers and after 5 seconds select Start at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to and select Done. Then manage all of those and when you finished, go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!